All right, they're Latin 2. Review 12G. Glossary time, the final glossary. Here we go. Imperium imperii, this means empire, can also mean power, right to rule, can sometimes mean throne. Pateo, patere, patui, this means to extend. I don't know any words in English that give us this. Sumus aum, this means the highest or the supreme. This is where you get the word summit. Nicomedia, Nicomediae, a city in Bithynia. This is Nicomedia. Trevari, Treveorum, this is the Trevari. This was a city. It was named after the tribe that existed there. Res militaris, rei militaris, these are military things, military affairs. Peritus aum, and it'll take a genitive, so you're skilled of something, okay? Potior, potiri, potitus sum, and this will take an ablative, and it's to gain possession of this thing. So, to gain possession of, and then the thing you gain possession of becomes the instrument, so that is the thing in the ablative. Bellum gerera, this is to wage war, to carry out war. Eboracum, eboraki, this is the city York. Eboracum, so York. Confirmo, confirmare, confirmavi, confirmatum. Obviously to strengthen, because firmo is to make strong. Confirmo is to make stronger. Confirmandum erat, had to be strengthened. Therefore, this is another gerundive of obligation. Should have been so easy to teach you in person. Crux, crucis, this means cross. This is the crux of the issue. Crucify comes from this. Scutum, scuti, this is a shield. Usually it's a smaller shield, but it could be the tower shield, actually. They're interchangeable words. Galea, galeae, this is a helmet. Proelium, proelii, I think you know this by now. It's a battle. Hostis, hostis, samesies, it means enemy. Gratus aum will take the dative, and it means that you are pleasing to someone, you are dear to someone. Here, it's going to mean grateful or thankful. Pro takes the ablative, and in this one instance, it'll mean as. Edictum edicti, this is literally an edict, that which has been spoken out. Pronuntio, pronuntiare, pronuntiavi, pronuntiatum, to give out, to proclaim, to announce, to pronounce. Potestas, potestatis, this is power, okay? Sometimes control, but mostly power. Occidens, occidentis, this is the west. This is where the sun falls. Occido, occidores, to die. Exercitus, exercitus, we've seen this. This is an army. Regno, regnare, regnavi, regnatum. This is another word that means to rule. It's very close to rego, regera. Byzantium, Byzantii, obviously this is Byzantium. Orbis, orbis. This is a circle. So we'll get the word orb, right, or orbit. Orbis terrarum is the circle of the lands. In other words, they knew even back then that the earth is not flat. Oriens, orientis, this is the east. This is where the sun rises, because orior is to rise. Aptus aum, this means you are apt, you are suitable. And it will take an accusative. So it's aptus plus the word ad plus the accusative. Mercatura, mercaturae, this is the act of trading, the actual noun that is trading. Ceres, sedis, this means seat, but it can also mean all kinds of other things. Here, I think it'll mean seat. Rego, regere, rexi, rectum, to rule, yet another word. Obtineo, obtinere, obtinui, obtentum, this is to hold. Is where we got to obtain, but this is like to hold power. This is teneo, tenere. Detineo, detinere, detinui, detentum. So this is to detain. This is to hold one back, to keep as a prisoner. Invideo, invidere, invidi, invisum will take a dative. You are envious for something. This is invidious, because you're looking into it. Redigo, redigere, redegi, redactum. This is to bring, okay? Usually it's to bring back, but in this instance it's just to bring. Redact is to pull back. Let's see, and then in potestam redigere is to bring under the control of, or under the power of, okay? So, what I want you to do now is review 12A, B, and C. All right? I'm gonna hit the button.